In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a domain on Getresponse. We're going to walk through the exact process of connecting your own custom domain so you can use it with your landing pages or website inside Getresponse. I'll keep things simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what to change. First, start in your Getresponse dashboard. Look for your profile area, usually at the top right of the screen. Open the menu there and go to the section called Emails and Domains. This is where Getresponse lets you manage everything related to the addresses and domains connected to your account. Once you're inside that section, find the tab labeled Website and Landing Page Domains. This is specifically for domains you want to use on your pages, not just for sending emails. Click on that tab and then look for a button that says Add Domain. Go ahead and click it. A field will appear asking you to enter your domain. Type in your main domain name, for example, example.com, without any extra paths or folders, just the plain domain. When you've typed it correctly, click the Add button. This tells Getresponse which domain you want to connect, but it won't be fully active yet. For that, we need to update your DNS settings with your domain provider. Now open a new tab and log into the website where you bought your domain, such as your usual registrar. Once you're in your account there, find the settings for that specific domain. You're looking for the name servers section. This is what controls where your domain points on the internet. Getresponse will show you the name servers it wants you to use in a pop-up right after you add your domain. They will look similar to nsa1.getresponse.com and nsa2.getresponse.com. Copy these from Getresponse and paste them into the name server fields in your domain registrar, replacing the old name servers that were there before. Save or confirm those changes. After you update your name servers, the connection does not happen instantly. DNS changes can take some time to spread across the internet. It may be as quick as a few minutes, but it can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate. During this time, your domain might not work consistently, and that's completely normal. Once propagation finishes, your domain will be linked to Getresponse, and you'll be able to use it directly for your landing pages and website.